We're gonna head over to Idaho, meet up with another guy I guide with, Earl Morgan. We're gonna be hunting Idaho for a few days. We got a couple tags. You know, Idaho is a great place to hunt. A lot of turkeys there, a lot of fun. Really, probably my highlight of the hunting season's hunting over there in Idaho. Right now we're in the first week of turkey hunting, and a lot of these toms are henned up. So there's a lot of strategy that goes into it. You know, they're not really coming that easily. A lot of them have hens, so to get these turkeys is a little bit more difficult. There's one way off over there. I want to get up here. This is a pretty good spot. It's a nice sort of traffic spot, even if they're not right on this ridge. So, yeah, we'll see. I'll get up there, listen. Hopefully there's some birds closer. Crow call does the trick again. Got some gobbles. They're way down there though, really low. Could be getting closer. I thought he sounded close. Right here. Like you just lay down a moment ago. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it sounded like it was going down to the bottom now. Yeah. That's almost what I'm wondering, if he's down the bottom. And get a little on the hillside. Just drop it down. He'd either be in the bottom or on the other side. Just tail to you, put your gun up. Just wait. Okay, put your gun up. Like a shooter. Dude.
Yeah.
Dude, those are over an inch. Big. Big old spurs.
Dude.
What's the beard?
He didn't have much of a beard though. Just a dink. Dink of a beard.
Man, all like rotted out. Dude, those spurs though, that's like a good solid bird. Wow. Nice. The old DSD did it again.
Look at those spurs. Pretty nice for a mountain bird.